another
showing them.
7, another 6-7 of those.
Oh! Look
There's
at the
gonna be a
way.
knockout.
He's absolutely, he's
That is gonna be a knockout. एक और बड़ा शॉट मारा बलहारा ने. Oh my God! That. And just the way they discussed, ugly fights इतनी मजेदार होने वाली हैं. अंगद बिष्ट versus सुमित खाड़े.
Manan, this is going to be electric tonight. We've got Angad taking on Sumit. Both of them are excellent fighters. Wow!
leg kicks.
Look at the return leg kick. That's the speed I was talking about.
बहुत ही शार्प. हार्ड किक सुमित की तरफ से. एक और किक और अंगद ने हल्का सा टेक डाउन का अटेम्प्ट किया, बट सुमित पहले ही वहां से निकल गए थे.
Manan, look at the way Angad is trying to barge in, and Sumit has his kicks
Another
stopping
kick.
him.
Another
throwing them.
7, another 6-7 of those kicks.
Oh!
And that's going to affect Angad. That was a great shot.
Angad slips a punch and
Wow.
connects a right. Oh! I think that's it. That's
Oh
it.
my God.
Oh my goodness.
Oh
my
my
goodness.
God.
That was a flying knee by Sumit. Hurt Angad. That's over. That's game over. That's game over.
What? Let's take a look at the replay. Angad lands a right overhand, and then out of nowhere he lands a perfect flying knee, and it is good night for Angad Bisht. Oh my God. Rahul, man, I'm speechless. But we are getting news that maybe it's not over. We're going to have to see what the judges are saying, what the official decision is. I see there's a meeting going on with all the officials. Maybe it's not over. We're going to have to see what's going on. But man, he's a magician in the cage. What an extraordinary piece of action. Khatarnak, Janwar, Sher.
Khunkar, Bhayanak. He got a decision win. Oh, some exchange.
Oh, hard shots from Sanjeet और चैतन्य बहुत cautiously खेल रहे हैं.
Well, look at the shots.
Hard punches.
My
Oh my
goodness,
God.
he's here for a beating. Look
There's
at the
gonna be a
way.
knockout.
He's absolutely, he's
There
standing
is
in
going to
the
be a
cage.
knockout.
My goodness, I just don't want to.
This fight is
Oh,
over.
my
It is
goodness.
over. Oh my
Daniel
God.
said it. This is the best pound for pound card, and we can see it happen.
What just happened? How many seconds was that?
Well,
That was less than
Just
45
a
seconds. It was one of the
let's-
body shots.
Let's look at the replay. My goodness, look at those powerful hands.
Look at that.
Ah,
Boom.
I think he packs the punch with the dynamite. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Well, look at the way he's targeting the body.
और यहाँ पे चैतन्य already give up कर चुके थे. He was hurt and he had given up.
Well, that was another first round finish. Excellent as it gets. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Matrix Fight Night 5.
ये आज की फाइट नाइट शुरू होने से पहले मैंने बोला था आज का जो फाइट कार्ड है वो इंडियन एमएमए हिस्ट्री का सबसे बेस्ट फाइट कार्ड हो सकता है.
Well, the next bout coming up is the welterweight bout between Ravinder Balhara, the silent killer, and the bad boy of Indian MMA, the Delhi Don, Jason Solomon. Ravinder Balhara in white shorts, and we've got Jason Ramesh Solomon, the Delhi Don, the bad boy of Indian MMA in black shorts, and he moves pretty fast.
और रविंदर की बॉडी लैंग्वेज को देख के पता चल रहा है कि वो बड़े बड़े शॉट्स
Oh,
ढूंढ
that was
रहे
a
हैं.
nice right hand.
लेकिन जेसन ने वहां से निकलने का काम बहुत अच्छा किया. Away from that and eventually he wins.
Whoa.
We've seen that so many times. And then this is Jason's position.
Well, I think this is what Jason
This
wants.
is Jason's position. He
This
needs
is-
to hold on to this.
He may not be that effective as he was a couple of years back, but at the same time, let's not forget that he's been. Balhara has got a lot of weight, and this might
that was
affect
a
him in
nice
this
jab.
fight.
That was a nice jab that Balhara landed.
I would say Jason is an intelligent fighter. Look at the kick.
Nice kick. पे गेम को खत्म करना है. एक और बड़ा शॉट मारा बालहारा ने.
Oh my goodness.
And it landed. One of those shots landed.
That's what I was talking about initially, Manan.
रविंदर अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं उस क्लिंच से
Wow,
निकलने का.
look at the kick.
Nice
look at
kick.
the kick.
We could hear that kick all the way
Oh.
here.
Well, we've got
एक और अटेम्प्ट रविंदर की तरफ से और लग रहा है इस बार ये फाइट ग्राउंड पे जाएगी. And he's doing some great work with his kicks, Rahul, in this fight. He's timing them really well. He's throwing that side kick to the knee again and again.
Honestly.
Ooh, and that was a big right hand that landed for Ravindra.
Some good exchange between Balhara
But Jason's
and
doing a
Jason.
good job. Balhara has just got that one thing which he's looking for again and again. Big right hand. And now it's becoming predictable. So it's going to become, as time goes by, I think it's going to become easier for Jason to defend
I
that
think
one right
it has
punch.
already become easier for Jason. Jason is actually getting onto the head. Whoa!
This is
That's
perfect.
a lucky position. Whoa!
This is where Jason wants the fight to be.
My goodness, Jason is in a dominant position. He should lock that triangle, get the win. Oh,
And he taps!
What
And
a
he
comeback
taps!
for Jason!
Oh my God! The
Jason
Delhi
come-
Dawn is back, ladies and gentlemen.
He has proved
Wow.
tonight to be the real bad boy of Indian MMA. What a comeback!
चलिए replays देखते हैं. कई बार दोनों क्लिंच में आए. कई बार दोनों क्लिंच में आए. एक बार नीचे भी गई फाइट. जेसन ने 1 सेकंड नहीं लगाया फाइट के नीचे जाने के बाद उसको रिवर्सल करने में और डोमिनेंट पोजीशन लेने में. When they were fighting standing up, Rahul, जो हमने प्रेडिक्ट किया था वही हुआ. जेसन स्टेड ऑन द आउटसाइड, यूज्ड हिज किक्स. रविंदर बार-बार अंदर जाके पंचेस मारने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. काफी हद तक जेसन ने उन पंचेस को डिफेंड करने का काम अच्छा किया. एक दो बीच में लैंड भी हुए, बट ओवरऑल आईड से जेसन डिड अ गुड जॉब ऑफ डिफेंडिंग अगेंस्ट रविंदर बालहारा's boxing.
Manan, I will give. Let's look at the replay.
Ravinder takes him down, which is a big mistake in my opinion. Jason immediately capitalizes on that, locks in the triangle, and it's game over.
A big upset for Ravinder Balhara. Not even in the worst nightmares you would have thought that Jason is going to lock him in a triangle and get a win. So now Jason has 9 wins, out of which 5 wins are via submission. Manan, this is a spectacular night.
Rahul, I have a question for you. Would you say the Delhi Dawn is back?
Delhi Dawn has always been there.
The main event of Matrix Fight Night 5. Sandeep Dahiya versus Pawan Man. This is a rematch, Rahul. Round 1 has started.
Ladies and gentlemen, the action begins. Whatever was left unfinished at MFN3 in December 2019, these guys are here to crack it. These guys are here to steal it from each other.
और राहुल, जैसे कि मैंने
my
आपको बताया था,
goodness.
ये लोग जजेस तक नहीं जाने देंगे इस डिसीजन को. ये डिसीजन एक TKO से या सबमिशन से या जैसे भी खत्म होगा, बट ये जजेस तक नहीं जाएगा.
Both the athletes have been fighting since 2019. Got the father of Indian MMA, Daniel Isaac.
Oh,
Look at the
absolutely. Daniel is a
transition.
legend.
Easy, Sandeep, easy.
Well, again, both the fighters in the same position. Ah, Pawan takes him down, gets stuck in his guard, got the guillotine. He's trying to do, but he's got the mount. I think
This
this
could be a
game over.
bad position for Sandeep.
This is actually a bad position for Sandeep, and if Pawan can lock this position, I think this is game over.
Hard shot there. Man, Pawan's hands are made of stone. If he gets 2-3 shots,
Oh, that was a
that was loud. We
vicious,
heard it all the
nasty
way here in the
elbow.
commentary box. Right there. But he's still moving forward.
Oh, look at the
Man,
power.
Sandeep is coming up.
Oh my
Sandeep is
goodness.
hurt.
I think
Sandeep
Sandeep
is
is down. I don't think so. He's
That
hurt.
is insane. Sandeep is hurt, bro. This fight could end now.
I think
This is going to be over. Referee Daniel Isaac is going to stop this any second
It's
now.
over. I think the fight is over.
Referee Daniel Isaac is paying close attention. He's asking Sandeep if he's okay or not. A very, very experienced referee in the cage right now.
Well, Sandeep is still defending himself. I think the moment he stops defending, that's when the fight is over. These guys are not amateurs, they're veteran fighters. Pawan just trying to close distance, throwing in those vicious punches. That's the
Pawan is
power of
looking for the
Pawan's
knockout.
punches. And I'm sure before the judges decide, Pawan is going to decide this bout. Wasn't impactful at all. Oh,
Whoa!
look at the slip. No, that was
Sandeep
the
landed
slip.
some good shots, but
Sandeep tried-
Pawan just came right back with his own attacks.
Ladies and
Oh
gentlemen,
my God,
this
that
is some
right
heavy
hand was
exchange
loud.
of leather. stance. It's
Yes,
more
yes,
aggressive,
yes,
more
yes.
offensive
Okay,
than defensive.
one more.
That means he's going for the kill. Look at the slip. Look at the slip. Again. Whoa!
Oh my God!
Ladies and gentlemen, we've got the last 30 seconds of the final round for the main event of the evening. This is Matrix Fight Night 5. I would say yes, but in fact, Sandeep wasn't bad either. Just couldn't pull the submission on. Oh, no, that's what I get. Manan, to be honest,
And this is where Pawan dominated Sandeep completely, man.
show for all the fight fans.
Rahul, watch this. So Sandeep lands insane elbows, okay? And Pawan just eats them and keeps moving forward. And Sandeep lands a vicious knee, but Pawan. And that's the punch that rocked Sandeep completely. He was on the ground. Everybody was thinking this is where the fight is going to end. But we have such an experienced referee in the cage. He knew, he could see Sandeep is okay. He was asking, we can see his finger pointing at Sandeep. And he was asking Sandeep, he was making sure if Sandeep is okay or not. And despite all that damage, Sandeep survived that round.
Pawan has rocked Sandeep's world.